JD here. Today we're making bean pie. Recipe from Cookin', Carvin', and Scarfin'. It's real biker food, or is it? We'll soon find out. But before we do, hit that subscribe button. Ingredient list is below. Heat oil in skillet. Add beef, celery, pepper, and onion. Cook for 10 minutes. Then throw in beans, Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Throw in pie shell and cross pie crust strips on top. Or just put a full thing on top, because why put strips? That's dumb. 425 for 30 minutes. Preheat your oven. This is a good dessert for people who are still hungry after a regular meal or for real gluttons. I like where their head is at. Let's go back into the past, where we first tried this, and have Past JD tell us what he thinks about the recipe as it is. Past JD, take it away. Well, it should come to a surprise as absolutely nobody that it tastes like pork and beans with vegetables and crust. Basic, wholesome food from that era. I think I might like a little more Worcestershire or something in there, just a little something to spice it up a little bit. Thank you, Past JD. Past JD thought this could use something. If only there was a magical substance that has never failed us in the past. So we're going to replace all that useless green veggie crap and throw some bacon in there instead. Coming to you from lovely downtown Evanston, where once again we forgot to film the reaction. So instead of seeing us stuff our face with delicious pie, you can see downtown Evanston instead. I thought it was good. I thought it was actually better than the first attempt. Girlfriend, what do you think?
I think it was good as well. Definitely a pie that you make and eat the next day, because it's so much better cold.
There you have it. Pie with greasy gravy. Thumbs up if you like. If you don't like, thumbs down twice to show us exactly how much you hate it. Share this video with your friends. That makes a difference. Social media, list below. I'm JD, and I'm out.